Hello, we are the team from Iquall Networks. We made a project called Galileo Open Probe. It's a project for our software called MovieProbe Sonar. Well, who are we? I'm Lucas Amie, he's Marco, Gleny, and Gonzalo. We are all from Iquall Networks, as I said. What did we do? We do MovieProbe Sonar client for an Intel Galileo board. MovieProbe Sonar usually uses cell phones, Android cell phones, and iOS cell phones. And so we made a client for a Galileo board. It allows you to deploy a large sensing grid, usually using the huge array of sensors, actuators that the Galileo has. Using MovieProbe Sonar, you can control them remotely, making scripts for them, tasks that you can schedule, so you can take any measurement from a Galileo board anytime, even many times a day, many times a minute, many times a second, as you want to schedule. To make good use of this, we made it open source. We will have it soon on GitHub, so you can download it, get your own Galileo board, and run your own tests, measure the things you want to measure, and view these results on our Sonar server. So, well, why did we do it? Currently, Sonar is aimed at measuring mobile networks. It measures signal strength, packet loss, quality of internet access. But the data engine that we have could be used for many other things. So, taking this power, we decided that we wanted to make an open source implementation of this. So, probes and measurements interfaces are open for this. You can find these interfaces on wiki.sonar.iquall.net. And also, we decided to do this because we understand the service. We made the service. We know the protocol, and we absolutely love coding. So, well, what can be this used for? Distributed monitoring, advanced network testing. With these things, you can get lots of sensors that you cannot get on cell phones. So you can get so much complex tests made with these things. So, well, for the industry, you can replace programmable logical controllers with software-based solution. You can make, I don't know, medical care things. Pretty much in any industry, you can use this. So how does it work? Pros gets application installed. You can install this with a cable, and you can install on Apple Store or Google Play your application in the phone. You register the probe at the web. You create some tasks for them. You create the scripts and the things you want to measure. The pros download these tasks that are assigned to them. They execute those tasks, and then you can review the results on the server. So, well, this is us working. We hacked a small mouse to make the serial port. We got a potentiometer attached to the board, and we connect the board to the computer we had. So we registered on Sonar the probe. We made a script for it to measure the value of the potentiometer. Well, you can view the scripts here. We registered the variable that we wanted to view, that we wanted to measure. That was the value of the potentiometer. We told the probe, the Galileo board, to execute it. And we generated a report to watch that variable's values in a period of time. And voila, we got the measurements that we ran on the board, on our web, and you can take any amount of boards you want, showing them, and make any measurement distributed. And well, I think that's all.